Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're checking out this playlist, your myEcon success stories, thanks for checking this out. Thanks for being here. If you're new to the channel or new to checking out myEcon here in 2025, do me a favor, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Make sure you ring that bell icon so you'll be first to know when I put out new content or any additions here to the playlist. I'm going to try to add new success stories for this playlist, probably at least once or twice a week, because honestly, we have so many, so it's just going to take a while to get through them all. And I'm going to spread them out here along with my other content. So today we're going to be talking about my man, Richard. Now, Richard recently ranked up to platinum. He got started with myEcon maybe a couple of months ago and ranked up rather quickly once he got in there and he got going. So the whole point of this playlist, my friend, is to show you real everyday people that are plugging into myEcon, getting started, utilizing our team training site. And in these videos, I'm going to show you exactly what they do, how they're doing it, and how you could do it too. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to show you exactly how he's promoting, what he's doing, and, exactly if you want to do the same thing, if you want to rank up to platinum or infinity or whatever it is in your myEcon business, you can follow along and do exactly what our members are doing. So everyone that I've showed you so far, Clint, Shannon, and now Richard, has all ranked up to at least platinum. We're going to throw some infinities in here as well and show you what they're doing and exactly what they're, how they're doing it. So let's dive over. Now, obviously, and I've gone through this in some of the other videos, everyone, once you get started with us, you get access to our funnel team marketing and training system. This is free with your myEcon business. So no matter what level that you come in at, you get access to our marketing and training system. Now, inside of this is literally everything you need. Obviously, you get our app, you get all that stuff to get out there and start promoting your myEcon business today. If you want more information on specifically our training site, the literally over $11,000 in free value just for activating your myEcon membership, I'm going to put some links in the description down below. You'll see a line that says, if you want to see my full overview or tutorial, something along those lines, click here. You'll see that. It'll take you over to my myEcon playlist where I'll walk you through exactly what we do and how we do it. So if you want more information, links in the description down below. So Richard obviously came through. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight a couple of things. Okay, Richard primarily uses Facebook and YouTube to promote his business. So I'm going to show you over, his Facebook profile. I'm going to show you his YouTube channel, but he primarily uses Facebook and YouTube. Now, when we go live, we're live 5 times a week, and you can get access to that when you're in our team training site right here. It specifically says, okay, live weekly trainings. This is our replay. So if you don't catch the replay live, we have all the live trainings saved so you can go through those live trainings at any point. During our live trainings, I show you guys a lot of Facebook marketing. We talk about that a lot. We talk about how to post, what to post, when to post, certain things that you could do when you post. All of those details are covered in our live training. So obviously Richard plugs into that, literally follows along and does exactly what we're doing. So as an example, okay, if I head over here to Richard's Facebook account, one of the things that we talk about when we go live is, duplicating posts like this. And this is what we'll show you when we go live is I'll say, hey, everybody, I'm going to go do this live, and I demo it for you live on camera. Everybody turn around and go do the same thing. So that's exactly what Richard did right here. You can see he got, he posted that, got 13 comments on the post. I'm sure some of those comments turned into sales. Okay. So similar thing right here. You can see he got 55 comments on this post, just taught live how to flip $99 into $3,900 in 30 days. Want the replay. And then we teach, when you share this, when someone comments, exactly where you're going to guide them, where you're going to, what sales funnel are you going to send them? And of course, those sales funnels are given to you for free inside of your marketing and training system here. So that is one of the ways that Richard is using to promote his business, literally just following our simple training where we say, hey, go do this. And like many members, he literally just duplicates exactly what we're teaching. So, not reinventing the wheel here. Rich is not, he's not going out of his way to reinvent the wheel or do anything crazy new. He's literally just following the guidance and the training that we give our team. And, obviously he's got thousands of followers over here on his Facebook profile. He's getting comments on his posts. So obviously what he's doing, it's working. It's again, it just comes down to, we try to teach what works. We try to teach that duplicatable IPA, income producing activity, that anybody can get out there and do. Okay. So, next thing that he's doing is he's also growing his business over on YouTube. So I'm going to come over here to his YouTube channel. And this is something that, Richard does really, really well. He's really great on camera. And I think the reason for that is, Richard, I think if I can find his profile here real quick, Richard, and this is also too, Richard posts in our results Facebook group here. He just posted that he ranked up to platinum. This was about a month ago from the time of this video. So obviously great to see there. And again, is he doing anything crazy? Is he reinventing the wheel? Is he, doing the old traditional stuff that nobody wants to do? Three-way calls and home parties and making a list of 100 friends and family. No, he doesn't do any of that stuff. He just literally just follows what's in the team training site here. So as I was mentioning, Richard is also a pastor. Okay. And I believe he's a pastor. I don't, Richard, if you watch this and I have that incorrect, my apologies, but I believe Richard is a pastor at his church and he's always posting about that, which also, makes it for him, it's a little easier for him to maybe get on camera and kind of talk about myEcon or talk about his business or something like that over on his YouTube channel. So obviously you can see his information here. Obviously you saw his Facebook profile. If you want to go check him out, you certainly can. But what is he doing? He's posting on Facebook. Okay. He's not even really on TikTok. It's mainly Facebook and YouTube. Those are the two social media engines that he's using. And he's just getting out there and creating content. And if you look here and look at the timeline, his videos, they're not crazy with thousands or millions of views or anything like that. He just puts out consistent content. I think that's the biggest thing that is helping him win right now is he's putting out consistent content. And you can tell, by the time frames here, he's doing at least probably 2 to 3 videos per week over on his YouTube channel. So you can see here, I mean, it's, he's just being consistent with his content. So that's specifically what he's doing. So Facebook and YouTube. So if you have a Facebook account, if you have a YouTube channel, you can literally clone and copy and do the same thing. You can rank up to platinum. You can make hundreds or thousands of dollars a week in your myEcon business if you just go do the work. Now, how is Richard learning how to do some of this stuff? So like I mentioned, when we do our live trainings, I literally show you every single week, multiple times per week, how to get out there and how to do a basic Facebook post. I show that live. I do it live. A lot of the people that when they're watching the trainings, they literally clone it as I'm doing it. So people are taking action as they're watching me do it live. This team training site that you see right here is kind of the same exact concept where as people are going through the training, they're getting their app and then they're going through, this is how you take action. This is what you do. You literally follow along and you just do it step by step as I'm showing you how to do it. So for Richard to get out there on YouTube, just like I talked about in a previous video with Shannon, what is she doing? Okay, what is Richard doing right here in our team training site? Okay, you can go right over here to YouTube University. And this training right here, Access YouTube University, this will show you there's, I think, 10 or 11 video lessons on how to start a YouTube channel from scratch, from the very beginning, how to start your channel, set up your profile, set up your pictures, set up your bio, and then start creating content, what type of content to create, how to structure your videos, using hooks, using headlines, thumbnails, editing the videos, all of those things all covered here inside of YouTube University. So for everybody that is out there promoting their business, the people that we're sharing with you here in this playlist that are actually getting results, okay, whether it be, Clint, Shannon, Richard, and the other people that I'm going to feature in this playlist, all of them are utilizing the tools and resources that they get for free inside of our team training site here. So if you want training on TikTok, you got it. If you want training on Facebook, you got it. If you want training on Instagram, you got it. If you want training on YouTube, you got it. All of those social media channels are here where you can get out and you can promote and advertise your business for free. And everything you see here, all of your sales funnels, your email follow-up, your training, your live training 5 times a week, all of that is free and included with your myEcon membership. So if you have not gotten started, if you're thinking about getting started with myEcon, link in the description down below, my friend. Go ahead and get yourself started. But plain and simple, what we do, guys, it works. It works really, really well. And we have normal, everyday people like me and you that are getting started, plugging into our system, they're ranking up, they're making sales, they're making money inside of myEcon. And as you go through this playlist, as you watch these people, you'll see that these are just real everyday people following a training, using proven methods and guidance that actually does work. We've proved it, for literally years and helped thousands and thousands of people do the same exact thing. So there you have it, my friend. That is that. And hope you got value from this video. If you are ready to get started, again, link in the description down below. If you want to see this entire playlist, then again, that link is also in the description down below. There's lots of links down there. There's links to get started. There's links for my full tutorial and overview. And there's also links to this playlist. If you have any questions for me whatsoever, left my number right there at the top of this video. Go ahead and check that out. Send me a text message, ask me anything, or drop a comment down below. But at this point, you're seeing all these people that are literally just plugging in, following what we're doing and doing it. So you can go find success with myEcon. You can make sales. You can get results. You know what the work is. Just do it. That's it. The only thing that is holding you back is whatever BS excuse you're giving yourself as to why you can't do it. Whether you're shy, you don't have the time, whatever, insert excuse here, just stop. Okay? I'm showing you what to do. All you have to do is do it. That's it. Appreciate you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.